Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge icing for cakes. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need cocoa powder, granulated sugar, milk, butter, and vanilla extract. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth process. We'll combine these simple items to create a decadent, glossy fudge icing that will elevate any cake. Get ready to transform your baking with this easy-to-follow guide. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 3 cups of granulated sugar. Stir until a thick paste forms. Slowly pour in 1/2 cup of milk, continuing to stir constantly. This ensures a smooth mixture without any lumps, which is key for perfect fudge icing. The next step is crucial for consistency. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium heat, stirring continuously for exactly 1 minute. Remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, let the icing cool slightly, then beat it vigorously with a spoon or electric mixer until it thickens and becomes a smooth, spreadable fudge consistency. This takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your fudge icing is ready, spread it quickly and evenly over your cooled cake. The warmth helps it glide smoothly. Let the cake sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to allow the icing to set beautifully, creating a firm, glossy finish. This rich, chocolatey topping is perfect for any celebration. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fudge iced cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.